everyone. I heartily welcome to all of you and our special guest today, Dr. Udit Kanwal Sharma. He has joined with us. So today's theme is energy building and brain connections. So as we were talking that once when Martina Navratilova, she was asked that how she is able to maintain the sharpness of her brain, how she is able to concentrate on the game even at the age of 43. She answered that it is not on the age, it is not for the age. It's ball does not know what is my age. It is up to me that how I can stop myself for not stopping myself. So every game is played between between 2 years. There is a 6-inch ground, and that ground is mine. So every game is played there. And as she said, so is the Aristotle said that energy of the mind is the essence of life. So if you really want to do well in life, if you really want to live your life truly, then that means you need to enhance the energy of your brain. You need to unleash the potential of the energy aura which is surrounding you, and you need to understand your unlimited potential. So how is it possible, how you can do this? We will be learning this with Dr. Udit today. He will be talking not only about how you can enhance your capacities by enhancing your energy aura. He will also be sharing with you that how it is connected to the brain, how you can raise your consciousness, and by raising your consciousness, you can raise your energy level and you can raise your capacity of mind and brain. Now I invite Dr. Udit to interact with you all.
Namaste. Namaste. Look at your lines. You can match the lines of the left hand and right hand together. Lines of the left hand, lines of the right hand together. Keep your elbows straight. Am I audible? Namaste, everyone. Namaste. Am I audible?
You're okay. Audible.
Okay. Keep your hand to your body, thumbs touching your body. Elbows straight line. And smile. Longer. Wider. Wider. Still chance. More. Let the jaw feel. Or you can say, yes, yes. Or you can say, even wider. Wider. This is Namaste. There are many questions I have received already. In this question, there are many questions who are interlinked. There are few questions who are very fundamental. I hope this talk would be answering all of them. There is a question like, how can I transform my life? There is a question like, what happens when upgrade is stopped? When upgrade is not happening? So first we understand the concept of energy, what energy is. As all know, basically energy means ability to do work. If you are able to work something, that means you have energy. When we are unable to work, we don't have energy. Little more expansion on the statement means you're only able to do things for which you have energy. आप जो भी काम अपने जीवन में अभी कर रहे हैं, उसकी एनर्जी आपके पास है. जो काम आप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं या जिसमें डिफिकल्टी है, वो एनर्जी आपके पास नहीं है. The simple rule of energy is you have it, you are able to function. When you don't have it, you cannot function. To raise energy, there have been many practices since times. Since ancient times, people are doing worship methods, meditation methods, yoga methods, intellectual activities, brain activities, and mind activities. Brain activities depend on logic. Mind activities are meaning like planning, looking into the future, what I am going to do, or what I am able to do. Energy is inside me, everywhere. I am energy, energy is me. It is only energy which makes my skin, muscle, bone, eyes, nose, nervous system, neurons, etc., etc. So if we are able to use energy to make my nervous system, when I'm able to make my nervous system by energy, also by mathematics, also by education, also by physical activity. But what it means by energy is any form of education can be done to create energy. Any style of cooking can be done to create energy. There are some methods of moving your body in a special manner, body motion. Then you use your body to make energy. There are methods of soul also. Somebody who is qualified to use soul method, they can use soul method to make energy. But fundamentally they are equal. Body user, mind user, soul user. They can make from the method they know. Whatever method applies to you, or whatever method is convenient. For example, right now I'm using my body, my hands to do namaste. Namaste is, we do a lot of namaste. But if you check the left hand lines and the right hand lines, there is a flow of energy happening there. If you check and meet your lines correspondingly, all the lines of the palm, all the lines of your finger meeting. When lines are meeting, the energy flow from left hand lines and energy flow from the right hand lines is meeting. When lines meeting, your left flow and right flow are getting balanced. Upon that, when you bring your thumbs to your body, you are touching sternum. And when sternum is touched, you are initiating the energy to your chest bone, sternum. In this way, you are already using left body, right body, and center of the body, chest bone. Upon that, when you do maybe breathe out sound, stretch yourself, stretch more. Keeping this position for 1 minute or 2 minutes as is suitable will change you immediately. But complete position, not just hands, not without touching. Don't leave the smiling. Don't leave the stretching. Stretch. Now, stretch now. Stretch. If stretch is missing, stretch again. Stretch. Breathe. Don't let the hand go down. Breathe. Stretch. Stretch again. More stretching. Don't bend. Stretch. Keep up. So what you're doing basically in this position, keep the posture while listening. Experience your shoulder position. Experience your arms. Experience your cheekbone. Experience your thought, whatever thought is now coming in your mind now, when your lips are like that. Even thought cannot enter here. If you have some thought which is bothering, you keep it properly. First of all, thought is powerful, will not let you stretch your lips. You're trying stretching, but depressing thought is pushing down. Race is going on. Stretch, drag, stretch, contract. Eventually you win. Keep stretch. Keep your shoulder up. If shoulder is down, the energies will go down. If shoulder is up, energy stay up. But doesn't mean you need to do this. This will be making your shoulder blade in a position which helps you rise. At the moment, the situation of the situation of the planet is all energy is almost pushing down. Even the temple is pushing down. Everything is coming down. What does it mean? Fundamentally, we need rising. How rising? On the body level, if shoulder is down, this is the position, down. Depression, feeling low. This is the position you make your body to raise up itself. And through body, you influence energy. Through body, no other thinking. I didn't introduce God in this process yet. No need to be. This is the body which we have, body. Simple. Match your lines, bring them to your body in the chest, touch sternum. Sternum produces new RBCs. The new RBCs will be ready to combat with the present situation. And complete. This is complete position. On top of this, if you put some mind, what is a mind now? I'll give a brief example. I prefer to always give water cycle those who have attended earlier. What does water cycle do? Because the cycle is a river which is flowing, evaporating, cloud formation, raining, all complete. This is the mind I am putting on water. So while this mind is in water cycle. What is water cycle doing? It continuously changes from one state to another. If we stay stuck in one position, then we are stuck. But if we keep on moving, we move from A to B to C to D to A to B to C to D to A to B, like that. Another example to see is what happened. What happened is there are 4 stages of living creature when they are young, bachpan, when they are adult, jovani, when they are old, and when they are very old, seniors. Even this is a cycle. Born, living, dying, and born again. This is what is happening between dying and born, nobody knows. But there is the cycle. So on the mind, we can put a cycle, preferably water cycle, because it brings you life. Water, rain, river, evaporation, cloud. And then we come out of it. Another mind to put here is in Earth circulating around the sun. When the Earth is circulating around the sun, it usually is denoted by summer, autumn, winter, spring. Summer, autumn, winter, spring. So how do we do that? We do this, match the lines, put here. Body is done now. Body is done. And you can try. When you do this, you can try to bring anger to your eyes doing this. Cannot come. You maybe have posture of the eyes. But when you do this, it's difficult to be angry. Yes? Somebody asked how to stop angry. We don't stop angry, we channel it. We let it flow to another dimension. So all the energy the anger gives me is going to be constructive now after this posture. You can see when people are in anxiety or thinking, pain. I also am sometimes myself in anxiety, in pain. So what I do? Remain anxiety, but use mind. Mind and see, you will be turning over one day. One day you cannot remain the river. One day you cannot remain in evaporation. One day you cannot remain cloud formation. One day you will turn to rain. If cloud formation is humidity, is anxiety, it is only limited in time. After that, next cycle would come, next will come, next will come. This is the mind. So mind means when I know it is moving. Cycle 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. It is like that. What is energy now? Fundamentally, through science, we can see all of us are made of electrons, protons, neutrons. Why are they together? Electrons, protons, neutrons, why are they together? Because there is some force bringing this subatomic particle together. All my body is made up of them. And among them, electron is moving in certain speed. That speed is because there is energy in electrons. Proton is not moving, heavier, stability. That means there is some energy in proton. What is neutron doing is balancing between electron and proton, as simple as that. All religion people, all, do you think they have electron, proton, neutron? All religion. Yes, you think so, yes? If you don't think so, think now. Any religion, any age, all have electron, proton, neutron as their constituent particles, and they are vibrating. So when you do this position, you just see them. Why you can see them? Because you know in the school we studied, there is electrons, there is protons, and there is neutrons. If you know this is your arm, because somebody told you. If you know this is your eye, somebody told you. Similarly, someone told me, my body is made up of cells. Cell is made up of atoms. Atom is made up of electron, proton, neutron. So what I do this, and see in me all the billions of atoms, electrons, protons, neutrons, those who can go deeper, lepton, quark, also possible to see. Those who can go further deeper, no more particle, pure energy. This is your story, which is not biology. Only you need to see the truth. The truth is, first I was energy, then I have subatomic particle, then I have combination, colliding, combining cells. Then cell decided to do some function together, became tissue, became organ system, became organism. But what is the base, fundamental? Energy. You don't need to follow me. You just read science in the school, 7th class science, 8th class science. They're teaching this. All creation is made up of energy. Upon that, the energy means, depending on style of energy, different type of creature is born. How much energy somebody has, what is the rate of vibration, what is the circulation, that is what we are, energy. If there is energy in the world, there is source of energy in the world. Whatever exists in this world, there is some source. If you drink milk, must be a cow there. If you eat, there must be some source of food. If you breathe, there must be source of breathing. So if there is energy, there is source of energy. Two simple lines. I am energy, and there is a source of energy. Simple as that. This is my mind. There is no belief yet. This is knowledge level. Belief is when I practice this. When I practice this thought in my mind, and I can clearly see there is a source of energy, then it works. So you can just meet yourself in the morning in the form of I am energy, and there is a source of energy. That is simple as that. Second, whatever is your name, yours, where did you get that from? Your mother, probably father, probably Guruji, probably saint, somebody. Numerology. Your name is not this name. Your name is energy. Your condition is the vibration of energy. Whatever exists in this world, whatever exists, all is energy. Depending on the concentration, the volume, the frequency, the other attributes together, that thing is manifested. That person is manifested. That process is manifested. Manifested is what we are looking at. In this sense, whatever is manifested around me is proportional to my energy. My personal life, my sickness, my health, my state of mind, all is energy. In this energy way, firstborn is energy. Nextborn is mind. Between them, there has to be some channel. That channel is called soul, for those who understand it. Otherwise, we can go energy, mind. After mind comes body. After body comes activity. So I can also write maybe something. If I can write, I'll show you. Yes? So that's it. First is energy from the source, then is soul, then is mind, then is body, and then activity. That means whatever we are performing in this world is activity. Activity depends on my body. If I have body, I can do activities. Body depends on my mind. If there is mind, I can plan, think, and then do activity accordingly. Mind depends on soul briefly or directly energy. So energy, upon that mind, upon that body, upon that activities. What you want to improve in your life now, whatever. Some people need their mind to be tuned, improved. Some people need their job to be improved, their function in life to improve. Some people have the pink pen, their body to improve. Some body is suffering something. So whatever we need to improve, we can use energy or mind or body. See this way. So I have these 4 pens in my hand, okay? This is energy. This is mind. This is body. And this is activity. Story of all creation. Whosoever exists. They have first energy. Then they have mind. Energy, mind, body, and whatever activities we are doing, 4th pen. Okay? Is it clear, visible? When they want to improve the job, their working, their function in life, they're actually focusing this level. And when they want to improve their knee pain, backache, headache, their body level. And when they want to improve how to think, how I am not able to manage my life, that is the thinking part, mind level. But we can actually take care of every level by energy. That is energy. What is energy now? Energy is some process, something which manages mind, body, and life function. Somebody is a teacher, somebody is a doctor, somebody is an engineer, somebody is a housewife, somebody is a mother, somebody is a parent, etc., etc. When they're not able to do properly, that time they need body, mind support, which can be given by energy. So, is it understandable? What is energy here? Yeah, method. If energy is there, it will create next mind, the new mind you will have. After new mind, new body. When we have fresh body, we can do more work. This energy. That is what we did just now. Only one position. Namaste. Additionally, I'll show you one more exercise. We have shown this exercise in various schools. You can check on the website also. There are many people, many teachers are doing this. Someone also messaged me that they couldn't see feeling of energy while doing this. But there's someone who already messaged me. They're feeling about this, how they're feeling. The energy is rising just by physical body. And there are many people who are performing this on a regular basis, and their life is already showing changes. Simple exercise. I'll come back to the concept of energy again. Right now I'm telling you, right now is how use body, make energy. Use body, make energy. Use body, make energy. How to use mind to make energy. That is where schools come in. The meaning of school is we are actually sharpening the mind of student. But we are no more sharpening the mind. We're making them learn things. The reason is going down. They are not thinking much. Just learning for exam, forget after that. Anyway, one simple motion of the arm is you go from the Namaste position, you go to your left. From this position, you make like that. Go left. both arms, as much you can, but they remain in the same plane. You don't need to put your arms up and down. Just from here, same plane, one. Return. Forward, return, right, return, back, return. So this is it. From energy, when there is a lot of energy, it makes soul. Soul makes mind, but actually coming from energy. From mind, it goes to body, but actually coming from energy. From body goes to activity, but coming from energy. There were people who could see until soul, and there are people who can see through till energy. Those who could see only till soul, they only promoted the soul division. How to succeed life, activate soul. There are people who only can see till mind. As a result, they can only talk through mind. Those who know only body level of activity, eating, exercising, gymnasium, etc., and only are concerned about cosmetic life, they live in this level of the body. After the body level comes activity. Activity totally depends upon how much body we have, how much mind we have, how much soul connection, how much energy we have. So one time, fundamentally speaking, yeah, okay, my sound is not very clear. I hope the picture was seen. The picture was seen in which we could see how energy is making soul, mind, body, and activities. Soul, mind, body, activities, whatever we need to improve, if we go through energy, we can improve all things. Those people who could see energy, they're like saints we have in our world, in other country. They could push things in the energy way. Push in the sense they given us some rituals to perform, some activities to do, that people are doing. In that case, if we go through understanding of my own life, my individual person, believer, good, non-believer, good. In this sense, energy makes my soul, soul makes mind, mind makes body, body makes further higher activities. Why activities now? Even activities can develop myself. So we are in a cycle now, from energy to soul to mind to body to activities, raise energy again. This is simple to theoretically understand. Practically, move your body in this fashion: left, forward, right, back, and back to namaste. Try now. Let's try. First of all, namaste. Stretch. Stretch. Stretch again. From here, think of the water cycle. Don't stay in the river only, don't stay in the evaporation, don't stay in the humidity, don't stay in the rainfall. Stay everywhere, keep moving. From there, go left. Return. Forward, return. Stay in the water cycle in the mind. Right. And back. This is combination of your mind and body. This is not religion. This is simple understanding of water cycle applying on my body while keeping my shoulders like that. At present, the situation of COVID is putting everybody down, depressing, containing in their families. People are feeling a little bit stopped. Life is almost stopped. It is going to put pressure on the shoulders. So what happens is shoulders go down. The doctors of heart, the cardiologists, they mention, keep your shoulder up for the heart health. But energy is so strong, pushing it down. What can you do to make your shoulder up? This is one simple position. Make your shoulder up now. For example, like this shoulder in the evening. No talking, just shoulder up. When you do this position correctly, shoulder is automatically up, not here. The back, the shoulder blade. From the cervical to the shoulder blade, physical body shoulder is up. After shoulder up for a while, for your example, you can keep it 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. If you're tired, give up again, continuously 5-10 minutes. Just by this only, just by this. No positive thinking, no negative thinking, it goes. Just like this, the body will help. How about upgrading now? This position will upgrade us from our present circumstance. Circumstance is there. I can be above the circumstances. How? There is a question also, why upgrade stops after a certain time? Answer to that question is, when I'm doing alone something, myself only, it is an individual in function. But when many people do this, even in your own houses when you do this now, you form an energy group, not meeting each other, don't know whosoever it is, but you are still in an energy group. As a result, when you all do this, you contribute to each other as well. Upgrading not alone. Mic not working. It's louder. So when you're upgrading alone, there will be a limit. But if there are many people on the same understanding, not belief yet, understanding, logically you can understand this. If energy is at the base, you can make the energy to raise your mind, raise your body, raise your activity. How to do by body is this position, the water cycle and activity. How to upgrade more than me is when I have more people doing the same activity. Even I don't know them, but they all will rise, I will rise. It's called togetherness, collective. This is collective consciousness. When energy stops moving further, upgrade stops. When I only want to do myself, cannot succeed. When it is depressing, that means somewhere my energy is stuck someplace. Only one thought I'm stuck with, only one situation I'm looking at. As a result, I need to release. What is the meaning of release? When I'm circulating this properly, the region in the heart and lung is released. Physical body, not belief. You may believe it, you may not believe it. But when you will do it properly, your lungs will be relaxed, your heart will be relaxed. Upon that, this cardio activity will send new blood flow to your body, different organs. How is simple? Left, pull, push that. Forward, push. Don't just do this. It needs some pushing. See, on the chair I am doing with you, just on the chair, not standing. Left, forward, right, back. Simple as that. What happened now? This area. There are many people who are already doing 3 parts, but 4th part is not in the curriculum. That means you're only doing development of 3 directions in your body. The 4th direction is not developing. What happens when you miss one direction? You're losing 25% of yourself every day. Similarly, education works on the mind. When we are teaching the people only 3 aspects. For example, I give you a very simple example of education here now. We are teaching there exists male, female. Any more? Maybe neutral gender also. So there are 4 components we have: male, female, no gender, and both gender. This is complete. You understand this? Male, female, no gender, both gender in one body. To come to this stage where we are able to see all 4. There was a time when preformative child was born. It was considered first when child was destroyed. Do you know? It was considered as a curse. So they could destroy the child. Today we are, during LGBT understanding now, we are okay. We are getting okay. We are trying to reason with situation. Earth is manifesting itself into a little bit more form let's say, achieving completeness, existing 4 kinds of life: male, female, no gender, both gender. There was a famous player in the African team, so she was a female, and then her performance was quite good. When checked, there was no steroid condition. But when investigated, she had both genders. She said, "What can I do? I am qualifying as a woman. I am applying as a woman. That's all." So what does it mean? If you only focus on teaching one aspect, only male-dominant society is primitive. Recently, nowadays, a female-dominant sector is rising. When passport is asking mother's name, so 2 dimension, male, female. But LGTB is rising further. Both gender is still not common, but will come. How to do what we understand is only 4 aspects of something in the education system is going well. That is why rainfall, river, rising, cloud formation. So all this. What is the meaning of depression now? If my synapses and neurons are not enough developed, how can I develop my synapses and neurons? How slow learners can achieve? How special need children can be helped? How immunity of the children is important. Immunity, I already touched here. When you touch your sternum with this energy position and stay there for 3 to 5 minutes, you're already activating immune cells in your blood. Also, something as a cerebral, the new blood formation, the new immunity cell formation is happening here when you touch. Upon that, mind. Upon that, move your body. When you do complete position, the one step, create new cells of you. सोचने का जहां तक सवाल है, अगर आप एक ही तरह सोचते हैं जीवन में, तो वही सोच डोमिनेट रह जाएगी. But if you think in multiple dimensions, multiple means at least 2, 3, 4. How do we reach there thinking multiple? That is why the water cycle will help you. Even subconsciously speaking, your mind will have 4-dimensional neuron system. Thinking completely, not river. Anyway, when you take bath in the river, you're actually thinking of the water cycle. What difference does it make? You're dipping the same river, Ganga. It's a river, you're dipping in a line, or you're dipping in the complete cycle. It's the line. If you know this, next time you have to dip, don't dip in the line only. Dip in the full cycle. What difference does it do? You're having a dip in the one-dimensional process. Simple as that. You make the difference of living singular life, one, living multiple dimensions together. How to develop neurons from child decays? Child is just unfurling, opening up. If we start education system properly, give them education through energy way. That energy way from the very beginning develops their neurons to maximum capacity. Anyway, children will learn anywhere from different sources. But school system is such an available resource we have for humankind, where we are teaching all sorts of languages, all that is the base energy. Upon that is the soul. Upon that is the mind. Upon that is the body. Upon that is the in life terms. Beyond that, there is energy. That is why, at least in this talk, you should be able to clear this thinking level. There is energy at everywhere. Next question is mind, very famous now. How you can change mind? By talking, by consulting is one way. But if you make energy and mind changes, this is done by body, influencing the mind. And when mind improves, your body internal function improves. It's a simple process, but you have to think about yourself, not what I am saying. You can see for yourself. If you are only moving our life, your hand is moving forward, then only forward of the shoulder is working. If it doesn't go back at all, then the back dimension of your shoulder will not develop. Then eventually they will contract. So for all people, child, adult, elder, senior, even sitting position, they can just simply do this. Experience of energy is not only in my body, It's in my mind also, in my feelings also. Sometimes when I do the motion myself, I just feel it in my body, in my mind is relaxing. My lips naturally smiling. I'm not doing. That's beginning. Later when you do this, you reach here. And you feel like sitting like this only. This is for yourself. If your heart is healthy, lung is healthy, they're taking care of entire body. That is a part of the hull. There is lower body also. In the lower body, you need to work on, for example, female case, you work on the periods or digestion or lower back, hip pain, etc., etc. This is physical body understanding to help on the disease or pain condition. But using this body only in the arm and leg, we improve our mind. Or creating energy, we improve our energy, soul, mind, body, life, all together, we improve through energy. If there is energy, there is source. That is one more line. How to stay positive in this? What is the meaning of staying positive means? When we have more, positive. When we have less, we have negative, deficiency. When energy is bursting, look at the children generally speaking, they're bursting. Why? Because they don't feel anything, but their own self energy is higher. When self energy is higher, outside is not influencing much. Only when energy is getting reduced, contracting, thinking about what will happen in my future, that is botheration. Staying in present, wow, somebody say like that, stay present, don't think future, don't think past. Yes, answer. But how many can follow this statement? Staying present. Can I follow? Yeah, when we are in the time of pain and distress, instructions don't work. Only myself will work. Feeling sick, I have to make whatever effort I can, I know. Whatever other effort also you know you can make. Worshipping God is a fundamental way of raising energy. But without belief, it's just a ritual then. May work, may not work. That's why you need to reason things on your own. There is a nervous system you have, head. On top of this is head and spine. So when you're moving your arm, you're influencing your spine also, not only shoulder. When you're moving your leg also, you're influencing your spine. So head influencing, that is cerebrum, center brain, smaller brain, and spinal cord. You're influencing all of them. That is the purpose of the body. Mind level is how to stay positive, how to stay negative. Why don't we stay negative? Why don't we stay positive? Variety of things are there. Because positive and negative are two aspects. Sometimes I'm positive, sometimes I'm negative. Then positive, then negative. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Like that. Positive, negative. What is happening? I'm moving forward. I'm just walking. Somebody asked about law of attraction here. From rising of energy, I just shift my plane of existence from A to B. Then whatever I was already attracting in this plane shifts to this plane. I raise my energy further, I shift higher. Then I am belonging to this kind of phenomena, further higher, from higher, 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 higher. So each new rise in me brings me closer to new people, new phenomena, new methods of working, new thinkings. Attraction is automatic because I am on a new plane now. Also, so previous plane might get disappear. I am so far away from previous plane that no need talking here. Not happening. That is not the law of repulsion. Simply plane is shifted. Next shift, next shift. How many planes I can shift in my entire life? Until I become perfect. Perfect in the body, perfect in my mind, perfect in my thinking. Thinking is not about me only. The moment people start to think about others, their mind actually lives on a different level. Thinking others means I'm also included thinking others. Thinking other mean when I am a part of the whole and the whole is rising. This is thinking. Thinking, rising, me, and then all together. When I start thinking about rising to people, when I start rising to people, hello? Yes. When I'm rising myself, from individual to more, the level of thinking is rising. That means my mind is able to see more. My mind is able to see how I can help, being a part of the whole. When I start to grow myself alone, there will be a limit to grow. I'll be stopped. After I continue to grow, I see it. I cannot grow alone. That's how people today are talking about saving some extinct animals, saving the water, saving the air, saving etc. Because they realized they cannot live alone, human beings. That's why they're trying to protect. Protection means when we are able to protect everyone, us included. Who is able to think this much? If there is a benefit only for me, no. Benefit for all. That's how today's situation is not influencing only human beings. It's also influencing the air, the planet, the plants, the river, the water. Everything is under influence. What we are experiencing is kind of a block. What all others are experiencing is kind of expansion. We cannot say this condition as disturbing only, because this is disturbing only human beings. Generally speaking, air quality improving has improved the health of humans also. The plants, the animals, the rivers, the water, the land, the Earth's atmosphere, people could see Mount Everest from nearby places like Punjab, like Nepal. From Nepal, they can see Mount Everest. The air is so clean in between. But generally speaking, the energy is getting down. All processes are like stopped. To raise the energy means if all individuals on the planet start working on raising energy, the whole planet can be lifted. What do we understand so far? If there is energy, there is soul, there is mind, there is body, and then there is life. Energy, soul, mind, body, life. Life means whatever activity you're doing. How to raise? From the beginning we start. Or somebody can start at any level they understand. But when we start at energy, we actually help all the levels. As I said earlier, there are people who are soul specialists, they could reach until soul. But even soul conditions, sometimes they have soul difficulties, soul level disease also exists there. How to solve a soul level condition from soul? We need to go to energy level. So energy level, soul level, mind level, body level, activity level. How to raise? That's what I already explained. Meet your lines from the left hand and the right hand, line by line. Put it on the sternum. When put it on sternum, water cycle, river, evaporation, cloud, rain, continuous. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back as much you can go only. That much you can do. So this part is done. Thinking about the mind now, when energy is rising, we shift from one plane existence to another. What does it mean? This plane has its own difficulties, own relaxations. Next plane has its own difficulties, own pleasures and own pains. Next also, next also, next also. So what we are doing in our life in this way, each next plane, our mind changes to see more than me, more than the phenomena I exist into. If the mind is thinking limited, I can only think about my profit, my family's profit. When the mind raises, I can see more. That's the idea of energy entering the mind expanding, can see more. Even in religion, they say to think about more people, all. But we are able to understand it through mind. How about teaching? How about positivity? I discussed positive, negative. One answer was positive means when you have abundance of energy. When less, you feel shallow, less. When there is a positivity, you have more. Also, second answer is positive, negative is advancing in life. There will be happy situations, there will be sad situations. But life has to go forward. This is done by mind. Only mind does it. Mind can do how we go forward. So not positive. Not only positive, not only negative. But forward is the clue. expanding, we see more. We see more when mind is expanding. When mind is limited, contracted. A small chocolate is lost, a child is crying because mind cannot see it. Or when mind can see it, chocolate is nothing. I can take bicycle. Now this is mind, when you can see a little bit into your own future. If you see your future, then present is whatever you have is okay, next is better. Including when we leave the planet, next is better. When we leave the planet, next you have to see yourself. The future is better. Why? Because energy rising is going to make you into future. All thing is positive, expanding. But negative is helping too. Positive, negative, expanding. Solving the question of mind or body or soul or life or activity, you have to go through energy. Alone rising is not possible up to a certain level. After a certain level, there has to be more people you can think about. Or there is going to be a topic on the website. The topic is solar system pressure mechanism. That will explain this, why alone we cannot rise. Solar system pressure mechanism is a very simple understanding of whenever people advance towards fundamentals, they will reach a point in their life, they can go no further. When they can go no further, there will be attributes like charity, like cause, like donations. That helps to some extent. But after a while, it's not going to help because rising depends on how my mind is thinking, how my subordinate's mind is thinking, how many people I'm surrounded with in my family or my professional work, what is the level of their mind. If somebody's mind is contracting enough or leaving down, that will influence the whole system. That's why togetherness means the minds who are already framed enough, they're rising minds. When they go together, they do a lot of work. What happens when the mind is limited? Only 1%, one small can destroy the whole plane. Yeah, near the airplane, you can't have the birds. One small bird, big airplane, finish. But when the group together is rising, they have to keep some minimum number of people with them who are high in energy, high in soul, high in mind, high in body, high in life activity. That is the purpose of this energy. So rising, law of attraction here means what? You don't stay in this plane. Don't only remain this attraction. Rise up. Some process will leave you. The next process will come. Rise again. Next will come. It's not about the only success in this material world. If energy is like rising tree, then different situations of energy means whatever is your energy concentration, that is part you can exist with in and around you. Next. You want to go next, you raise energy. You want to spend body but raise energy. Spend mind but raise energy, like that. So what you can use to raise energy? Your mind, your body, your both combination. Also life activities we can use. So target is raising activity, even though I use my body to move, even though I use my mind to think, even though I use my life activity to function, I can use all of them to raise energy. Output, when we raise energy, next dimension of existence. Don't ask for new car only. Don't ask for new house only. Total new dimension, which has new house, new car, new people, new components, new meetings, etc. After that, next dimension, new house, new car, new meetings, etc. Even the biggest of the powerful people, if they stay in one dimension, they will be limited one day. Because next plane, not one dimension, complete next set, at least 4 dimensions. Next four. There are examples of some people I have who have done some exercises with me, who have done some workshops with me. Usually it's not mentioned much, but in the website now I'm going to write a few things about how people have got benefited to inspire. Yeah. So how we can do things for my own life? I'll speak slowly now. It is quite fast. It's very simple. I'll repeat a little bit. This is first energy, then soul, then mind, then body, then life. If you improve everything, you go next plane. If you go next plane, you go next plane. What happens when we ask for some one aspect of life? अगर हम किसी एक चीज को ही चाहते हैं सिर्फ, तो वो मिल भी सकती है. पर अगर हम पूरा का पूरा प्लेन शिफ्ट कर लें, तो उसमें वो सब कुछ मिलेगा जो पिछले प्लेन पे सब कुछ होता है. Next, again next. That is the objective. सबसे पहले ये क्लियर होना जरूरी है लाइफ में. There are difficulties around. Yes, planet is suffering in this sense. But you see from the planet point of view, planet is shifting itself. It is changing certain things. सब कुछ को planet ही बदल रहा है. तो help किसको चाहिए? Planet खुद को ही तो change कर रहा है. फिर भी हम ये सोच सकते हैं कि planet ने जब energy बदला तो उसने human being, plants, animals और different faculties को reorganize कर दिया है. After this moment, certain new dimensions will be born, certain new businesses will appear. हमारा क्या काम है इस दौरान जब ये डिप्रेसिंग मोमेंट है? और कुछ नहीं भी कर सकते अपने घर में बैठे हुए. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है माइंड यहाँ पर ये सोच पाना कि मेरी अपनी एक एनर्जी है और उसको बढ़ाया जा सकता है. अगर मुझे लगता है मैं बॉडी हूँ तो मैं जिम जाके एक्सरसाइज कर सकता हूँ. इवन योग जैसी चीज को लोग योगा बोल रहे हैं अभी, तो फिजिकल आसन तक ही सीमित रह गया है. तो पहले तो सोच ही आना चाहिए कि मैं खुद एनर्जी, तभी तो एनर्जी बदले तो बॉडी बदलेगा. मैंने आपको बोला कि आपका जो नाम है वो भी आपका नाम नहीं है, क्योंकि आप तो एनर्जी है ना. एनर्जी की एक फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है, एक वाइब्रेशन होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ somebody is 1 lakh hertz and 40 kilometer wavelength per step, is a different kind of being we can't understand. So when we're talking about giants, or let us say हम देवताओं की बात करें या सुपर ह्यूमंस की बात करें, उनकी वाइब्रेशन डिफरेंट है. Somebody is very rich and powerful and successful in life. Some teacher is a very good teacher. Some musician is a very good musician. कुछ समय पहले अर्थ सिर्फ इतना सा है. अर्थ तो पूरा ही है पर उसमें पॉपुलेशन कम है. That is why only few people are masters of their game. Today, it is expanded. Today, people are not only getting celebrity because they are working in movies. Today, YouTube is making people celebrity enough. That means talents are rising and they are expressing itself through the media. So, what was this earlier? Power only in few hands is now expanding. And this particular time, the COVID 2020 is changing people mindset now to rise from this one person leading point to all people rising point. So we are entering as a whole earth into a new zone where the power is not staying with one person only, but a league of people together rises. Geographically speaking, the gravity of Earth is shifting from major pole condition to smaller pole condition. There are going to be many poles on Earth. What is the meaning again? Not single dominance can exist. MOUs will be signed, togetherness will come in companies, in business, in things. We can see certain people joining together as organizations now. This all is example of abundance in general sense and rising. So if this time is depressing me, there is a thought here, this time will change. Why will it change? Do you know why will it change? Because nothing can stay in the river forever. Nothing. It will shift to the evaporation. After that, cloud. After that, rain. ना तो खुशी का समय सारा टाइम रह सकता है, ना दुखी का समय सारा टाइम रह सकता है. It all has to move. That is the mind. But if I'm thinking this is a depressing condition, there are many more to come on the globe right now. We are experiencing global effect. Subconsciously, this will teach everybody that we are a global existence, not India, not America, not Japan, not China. China से ना शुरू होता, कहीं और से शुरू हो जाता, कुछ तो है ही. There were previous episodes also. 2008, America was financial meltdown. Today, even though it is a problem in the disease level, still a lot of money is being lost in this world. So we have different times, different difficulties on the planet. And planet is shifting. One difficulty, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. New plane rising. To make it to the, how can I attract positivity to me? Expand in energy. What I mean expansion is, I cannot become bigger than my body. I can become bigger in my mind. Body stops growing after a certain time. 5 feet 2, 5, 10, 6. Body stops growing. Mind can continuously grow. Luckily, we are human children because animal children are pre-customized when they are born. We are born in every new place, new time, and we are accustomed to the new times because our synapses are new. There is a clue now. जब हमारे synapses नए बन सकते हैं, हर नया बच्चा जब पैदा होता है तो अपने ही पैदा होने के साल के बाद के अनुभवों से बड़ा होता है. जो बच्चे 2000 साल के बाद पैदा हो रहे हैं उनको इंडिगो चिल्ड्रन कहते हैं. उनकी वाइब्रेशन डिफरेंट है. ईयर 2000. मीनिंग क्या है इस बात का? कि हर अगले समय के बाद नए बच्चे नई फ्रीक्वेंसी लेकर पैदा होते हैं। उनके आसपास का वातावरण, एनवायरनमेंट को किस तरीके से बनाया जाए कि उनके सिनेप्सिस नए बन जाए, उनके सिनेप्सिस सीमित ना रहे। वो सिर्फ 2 डायमेंशन में ना जिए, एक अच्छा होता है, एक बुरा होता है, और हर कोई अच्छा होना चाहता है। अच्छा भी है, बुरा भी है, खराब भी है, ठीक भी है, सब कुछ हो रहा है। करना क्या है? अगर हम बच्चों को भी ये सिखा दें अभी नमस्ते कैसे करना है, दिस इज नॉट जस्ट स्कूल लेवल नॉलेज। स्कूल में आई हैव बीन टू सम स्कूल्स नाउ, उसमें मेरा जाने का मकसद था कि टीचर्स को पहले पढ़ाया जाए, टीचर्स के बाद वो टीचर्स अपने क्लास के बच्चों को सिखाएंगे। कब तक रिजल्ट आएगा आपको? अगर आपके अंदर एनर्जी चैनल पहले ही डेवलप हो चुके हैं तो बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट आता है। लेकिन अगर आप ऑन द वे हो अभी डेवलप होने में, उसको थोड़ा टाइम लग जाएगा। लेट्स से 4 वीक्स प्रैक्टिस टाइम, एक मिनिमम टाइम ले लो आप प्रैक्टिस का, जस्ट 4 वीक्स नमस्ते करना। What is happening then? You are changing. You're not influencing the environment, but you are changing. आपका अपना स्टैंड बदल रहा है, नया खून बन रहा है, शोल्डर पोजीशन में आ रहा है, शोल्डर ब्लेड शिफ्ट हो रहा है, प्लस आप माइंड में ज्वाइन कर रहा है। एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको ये दिया, अर्थ कई बार चेंज हो चुका है, कई बार डिफिकल्टीज आई है, हम जो बचे हैं उनकी संतानें हैं। अर्थ हैज ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस मास एक्सटिंक्शंस आल्सो। मास एक्सटिंक्शंस में पूरा अर्थ के जीवन खत्म हो रहा है। वन ऑफ द फेमस इज ऑक्सीजन कैटास्ट्रोफी, जिसमें ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई बंद शुरू हो गई। उसके पहले ऑक्सीजन पे जीवन नहीं था, ऑक्सीजन आने के बाद ऑक्सीजन बेस्ड लाइफ शुरू हो गया। जितने भी नॉन ऑक्सीजन थे सब मर गए एक झटके में। 4% लेफ्ट बिकॉज ऑफ विच वी एग्जिस्ट नाउ। इसलिए आते रहेंगे एक्सटिंक्शंस और आते रहेंगी परेशानियां भी। करना क्या है? इफ यू बिलीव, आज बहुत सारे मंदिर ही बंद हैं, आप कहां जा सकते हैं? खुद ही कुछ करना है आपको अगर, तो ये वो समय आ गया है जहां पर सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है। एक चैप्टर का नाम है उत्तरायण, राइजिंग। द आइडिया इज राइजिंग। हाउ? हमको खुद ही राइज करने के लिए खुद को ही कुछ करना होगा। नोबडी एल्स कैन डू फॉर मी। अगर मंदिर को भी नमस्ते करना है या भगवान को भी नमस्ते करना है, अपने ईश्वर को, अपने अपने बिलीफ सिस्टम में भी नमस्ते करना है, आप ही को करना होगा। बट नमस्ते करने का तरीका बड़ा सिंपल है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज अ नमाज पढ़ने का जो मेथड है, I've seen observed it various times, so it's a very beautiful method. The whole body is something you are moving. It's a very beautiful gesture. You can try sometime. You don't need to be a Muslim to do namaz. So observe and do it. See the pleasure. A small portion I'll show. Just like this. Just like this. Only two. Neck motion. That is body motion. So with respect to the religions, no disturbance to anybody. I was only explaining how the body is moved, how the religion is influencing, how the belief system influences. Idea एक ही है। कोई कहीं भी कुछ करेगा, एनर्जी को बढ़ाना होगा। अगर एनर्जी को नहीं बढ़ा रहा है तो प्लेनेट की एनर्जी तो शिफ्ट हो रही है, आगे चली जाएगी। प्लेनेट की एनर्जी अगर आगे चली जाएगी तो जो लोग पीछे रह रहा है एनर्जी में, वो सिर्फ कंप्लेंट कर पाएगा कि मेरे साथ ये नहीं हो रहा, वो ठीक नहीं हो रहा और ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा। अगर एनर्जी के साथ साथ मैं भी शिफ्ट होता हूँ प्लेनेट के साथ साथ, देन मैं और प्लेनेट सिंक्रोनाइज्ड है। आई एम नॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द प्लेनेट। प्लेनेट इज मी, मी इज प्लेनेट। कैन यू से दिस लाइन? आप ही प्लेनेट है और प्लेनेट ही आप है। तो जो भी प्लेनेट बदल रहा है, आप भी बदल रहा है, घूम रहा है, आप भी घूम रहा है, बारिश हो रहा है, आप भी हो रहा है। अगर बारिश नहीं है, आपको नहीं चाहिए, इसका मतलब तो प्लेनेट आपको बारिश नहीं दे रहा। But when I am different from the time, changing planet, changing me, changing planet, changing, like that. So, for example, how many states of matter are there? Solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. We only experience 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Why not 4th one? Because 4th is sun. अगर वो दूसरा क्लास होता मेरे सामने तो मैं आपको टाइम देता यहाँ पे सोचने का। सोचो 4th कहाँ है और उसका इफेक्ट क्या है? बिकॉज प्लाज्मा सन के अंदर है। इफेक्ट क्या है? प्लाज्मा सन में है, इफेक्ट मेरे लाइफ में है। व्हेन प्लाज्मा इज डूइंग सम एक्टिविटी, उसमें से जो रेडिएशंस निकल रहे हैं वो मुझे जीवन दे रहे हैं। ये प्लाज्मा का काम है। सो हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस वी हैव टू टीच द स्टूडेंट्स? सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस, प्लाज्मा. When plasma is not understood properly, how can I explain plasma flowing in my blood? There is plasma in my blood, then red blood cell, then white blood cell, and platelets. How my body is relevant here? The more I dwell on this kind of understanding, मेरे body के अपने components उसमें vibrate करना शुरू करते हैं. If sun is plasma and I have plasma, do you think you have sun inside your body? Do you think? Simple answer. If there is plasma, if there is in the sun, plasma in me, sun inside me. कहाँ है sun? Inside you, everywhere. वो कौन सा जगह है जहाँ पे sun नहीं है आपके अंदर? ये है mind आपका सोचने का. सोचना कैसे है? Where is sun? Inside me. How can you use sun? You cannot use like sun. Think about it. Think sun. How? When you will think sun? Like this. And now think sun. As simple techniques है, छोटा छोटा है techniques है. There is a breathing method also. There is a 3-point breathing method where you breathe in the until full subject. But because of the time will be short here, I cannot cover everything. But main idea I'm saying is you change your mind by energy. You change your body by energy. You change your life quality by energy. To change energy, how to change energy now? Again, use mind to change energy. Use body to change energy. Use thinking to change energy. Also, life activity will change energy. It's a very brief understanding, but although time is 5 o'clock now, so should I continue? I can't hear. Yeah. Should I continue? Huh? Okay.
Can you hear? Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah, yeah. Now I can hear you now.
We can continue for some time. I saw one hand was raised. Can we take one question?
Yes, yes, yes. Welcome. मैं question निकाल रहा था बस.
Okay. She wants to ask one question. Seema ji. Seema ji, can you hear me? Seema ji.
I have a question with me.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, please ask your question.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Seema ji. कैसे हैं आप?
Sir, all well. It's a pleasure to see you.
I'm very happy to hear you sound as well.
Yes, sir.
I can
Sir,
see you
my
now.
question is, I think all of us educationists are feeling these days there is a tussle going on between parents and the schools.
Yeah.
So in this kind of a scenario, how to maintain our, balance and be positive towards everybody?
Yeah.
Because
First of all,
when there
parents.
is a tussle, at times we also become negative towards parents.
Obviously,
so I
obviously.
really want some technique to, through which we can always be positive even towards the criticisms.
Yeah,
And
information. This is information time. IT technology means information and technology, not computers. IT is information and technology. Information is parents must be informed from the beginning that they have to contribute fees to the school urgently somehow. They should borrow from some friends or relatives immediately some money. This will fuel the cycle of school's first lesson. Second is, because it is not the schools, it's not the teachers who have done this COVID. I already explained, the whole planet is under the energy system. If the parent want to rise up to some potential themselves, they should also know how to raise shoulders and don't complain to the teacher or school anything. If teacher is doing work today in teaching, they are doing more work than regular days. The regular days work is simple. All students come to school. But at the moment, teacher has to do much more work. That is what the parent should understand. The teacher is doing extra labor and being paid less. Payment, though not important, but it stops the cycle of money in that sense. Second answer is control their children to tell them this is the time they should don't do nuisance. Parents should tell their daughter and child to support the school and administration because time is tough, really. It's not, generally speaking, they can spend any time elsewhere. It's better they learn something given confinement of their home. So parent has to educate their own child to listen to teacher. Teacher has to educate parent to raise their shoulder, maybe child shoulder as well up. Additionally, they have to know this situation is not being created by any person or human. This is a situation planet is going through. If everybody shake hand to each other, we can support humanity in general. There are parents who can afford full fee to be paid, and there are parents who cannot afford even single fee to be paid, single month fee. They have to decide somehow to do justice to the system now, because the one who cannot pay, they inform I cannot pay, but the one who can pay, they don't inform I can pay full fee. So there is a message, we should be loud about it. The school is going through a tough time. Teacher is doing more work at house also and school also. So this is one thing which we can inform the parent. The time is not created by any one school or any person here. This time the planet is coming through. Should we remain together? उनके बच्चों का ही भविष्य अच्छा है. आज वो अपने टीचर्स में फेथ खो देंगे तो बच्चे कल को उनकी खुद की रेस्पेक्ट भी नहीं करेंगे. कम से कम टीचर की सुनते तो है ना थोड़ी बहुत. तो पेरेंट, टीचर और स्टूडेंट अगर एक यूनिट में आते हैं तभी स्ट्रेस कम होता है. अदरवाइज सारा का सारा स्ट्रेस आज टीचर के ऊपर आ गया है. To my children also, I'm supporting this way. Whenever the class happens at the internet or when the teacher is, I'm supporting them fully to stay here, do more work, and to submit your work as early as possible. So parents have to be educated that things are coming in by gender higher dimension. Only answer is don't fight against each other. How can they support? This they have to tell. How can the teacher support? This they have to tell. How the student can support? बच्चे नहीं हैं, बच्चे भी आज बड़े हो गए हैं. So they have to say, can we support education together? It's not teacher only can teach. सारा दिन पढ़ाने के बाद भी अगर बच्चा ही मना कर देगा पढ़ने से तो क्या पढ़ाएंगे टीचर? So there is a triad working. The parents, the teachers, and the students together, they are working. This is must be taken care of. This method should be passed on. Hello, Shivani. This method should be passed on together to the parents and the children. We are not saving one school. We are saving education system. समझना ये है पेरेंट्स को कि मेहनत सब कर रहे हैं and whatever they can contribute here. That kind of clear message, you have to mention it on the website, maybe send on the email somewhere that nobody created this situation. We are together into it और आपके अपने बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए हम काम करना चाहते हैं. So hand in hand, right? Yep.
We through mails, through messages, we have already done. But I think the exercise which you have taught us today, this Namaste and
this
energy
is immediately.
movement, we'll do it with our children, and we'll ask our children to do with their parents. So I think that will help.
Much better. I'll post a clear video of this one on the website. You can go through the website and see this. Also see how many teachers are doing this work there. That work you can see.
Can we have the question from Mr. Virmani? Mr. Virmani is from Modern School, Bahawamba Road. Mr. Virmani, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji, please.
Good afternoon. My question is simple, that how can we keep ourselves alert for 24 hours?
How can you keep mind active 24/7? That is what you
Yes,
asked.
that's my question. 24/7, I want to keep myself alert.
Let me tell you, first of all, the mind is active 24/7 since we are born and until we will stay alive, and even some portion before and after, first of all. But that total mind is not under our control. We only control a little bit of the mind. But still, I agree with this thought, how to keep alert all the time. The point is, if our mind is enough developed that I can see, let us say in the beginning, I can see this much around me, which is important. But when my mind grows, I can think about the whole world at the same time. This is one of the ways, if mind expansion is happening, then more activities I can tackle in a shorter time, one. Second, the question comes from deep meditation levels, where I have control of my subconscious mind also, which is 90% of the territory. So, are you practicing meditation or some technique already?
Yes, I do.
That's why your question is coming from there only. That means if you go, for example, this whole picture is there. If you reach to the center of yourself, that is your core, then you will have access to all sort of minds we have. We have conscious mind, we have subconscious mind, we have unconscious mind. Even unconscious mind, when somebody is unconscious, that I'm also recommending here, we can be being active there. That means I know I am unconscious, that kind of situation. But for that, we need to advance towards the core of myself. When I say myself, it is not this body. Body is a component. I have body. I also have mind. I am not body. I have body, I have mind, I have soul, I have life. When I go from the planet, any of these four can go. If any of these four can go, I am gone already. That means how to reach core here. I have mind, I have body, I have soul, and I have life. If you reach here, then the core is activated. This activation of core will allow you more access to mind. And what happens when you have 24/7 active mind is you can see more phenomena happening on earth. You can feel the phenomena actually. And if, for example, the present situation going on, certain people feel about it positive, certain people feel about it depressed. But you can see the more extent. मैंने ऐसे एक्सप्लेन किया किसी क्लास में ऐसे इसको, जब कोई डिलीवरी करता है लड़की, फीमेल, some mother to be, when a woman is under delivery, the woman is something anesthesia, yeah, given anesthesia to stop moving. Today earth is totally stop moving. जब कोई स्त्री बच्चे को जन्म दे रही है तो स्टॉप मूविंग है. अगर अर्थ आज स्टॉप मूविंग है, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, अगर अर्थ आज स्टॉप मूविंग है, समथिंग समवन माइट बी कमिंग टू बॉर्न हियर. ये चीज हम अपना माइंड से ही एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं. दिस इज नॉट नॉलेज लेवल, किसी किताब में नहीं मिलना आपको. बट व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू एक्सेस माइंड एक्टिव 24/7. मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया उसका एक, कि आप सबकॉन्शियस को भी एक्सेस करो, अपने अनकॉन्शियस को भी एक्सेस करो. हम जब सो रहे हैं तब भी मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ, हम जब जाग रहे हैं तब भी मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ, हम किसी भी इन्फ्लुएंस में हैं तब भी मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ. ऐसा स्थिति है इसका. बट आई विल राइट दिस आंसर इन माय वेबसाइट. ये बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है आपका, ये मेडिटेशन वाला. एक और क्वेश्चन ऐसा ही था मेडिटेशन का.
Thank you very much. Just I want to add one line to this.
Yes,
I mean, whenever I'm talking to people and gurus like you, they say that this time is a very difficult time. But somehow or the other, I feel that I'm very fortunate. I'm blessed that we got this time.
No, I'm not saying difficult. No, I'm not saying difficult.
I am saying that I have felt I'm blessed, I think, that I got time for myself, which I haven't got for last 30 years.
Yeah, that is good. I'm not saying difficult time. I'm generally speaking for the school matter difficulty. But I told already, Earth is under pregnancy right now. Earth will deliver soon. And we are going to see that delivery. That is the phenomena we are going to observe. Also, not only human beings should dominate planet, so all human beings are being contained and other species are being promoted as well, plants and animals. Many animals started to show their behavior. They came to roads. You see the टिड्डी दल अभी आ गया, दिल्ली के पास से निकल गया होकर के गुड़गामा से. हाउ डिड टिड्डी दल अपीयर? कहाँ गया था इतने सालों से? So it is not at all difficult time. It is only difficult for human being, for some of them. But most of us, we can see when we are contained, actually all people in this world are under meditation now. वो सब अपने अपने घरों में बंद हैं, अपने घर का ही खाना खा सकते हैं, और जो घरों के लोगों के आपस के डिफरेंसेस से सब लड़ झगड़ के निपटा भी रहे हैं. They are neutralizing their influences. They are fighting with each other. कोई चॉइस नहीं है, घर से बाहर जा नहीं सकते हैं, तो घर में रह के आ रहे हैं, स्ट्रेंथन कर रहा है अपना डीएनए. जिनके बच्चे होंगे और जिनके होने हैं अभी इस स्थिति के बाद, we will see that part because it's very near future. उनके बच्चे बहुत स्ट्रांग होंगे क्योंकि उनके एक्सटर्नल इन्फ्लुएंसेस सब ब्लॉक कर दिए गए हैं. कोई स्विगी से खाना नहीं मंगा सकता, कोई 5 स्टार जाके खाना नहीं खा सकता, कोई अमीर है या गरीब है अपने घर में ही बैठ सकता है, बाहर कोई भी नहीं जा सकता, कोई टूरिज्म नहीं जा सकता, कोई अमेरिका घूमने नहीं गया इन छुट्टियों में, कहीं जाने का सवाल नहीं. क्या हुआ? ऑल आर बीइंग टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय सिंगल एस्पेक्ट. ना कोई अमीर है, ना कोई गरीब का, ना पढ़ा लिखा. किसका हाथ है इसमें? कौन है जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं कर सकता? बड़ा नहीं, छोटा नहीं, बच्चा नहीं, बूढ़ा नहीं, अमीर नहीं, गरीब नहीं, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट नहीं, सबके ऊपर एक ही हाथ है. अपने अपने घर में बैठो, अपना अपना खाना खाओ. और तो और लोगों ने किचन बना दिए सारे घर में, सारे यूट्यूब भर दिए किचन में, बना बना के सबने अपने घरों के खाने बनाए. सी कितना अच्छा हो गया ये कि अपने घर के लोग इकट्ठा है, चाहे झगड़ रहे हैं, चाहे कंप्लेंट आ रहा है, बट क्या हो गया? यूनिफिकेशन हो गया. सब अलग अलग जा रहा है, कोई किस कमरे में जाता है, कोई किस कमरे में. कितने दिन, 1 महीना होता तो शायद अपने अपने कमरे में जी लेते. अभी क्या है? अल्टीमेटली इकट्ठा होना ही पड़ेगा, और जो नहीं इकट्ठा होंगे लॉकडाउन हटना भी नहीं. इसलिए you see now, this is the point of view which I have. How beautiful. Strengthening of the DNA. Our DNA being strengthened. America, Japan, India, everywhere simultaneously. सिर्फ पैसिफिक आइलैंड के, पैसिफिक ओशन के कुछ आइलैंड बचे हैं, वो पहले ही इकट्ठे, because they are already limited. No, this is the most beautiful aspect in in human history, in Earth history, that people are left alive, only kept. नहीं तो civilizations destroy हो जाती हैं ऐसे इवेंट्स हैं. You see what I mean here now? They are being contained and strengthened. That's why I'm agree with you here. Yeah, thank you.
Question, who is that? Miss Varuna Rajanand.
वरुण
Miss Varuna,
जी आपका क्वेश्चन तो बड़ा घातक था.
Miss Varuna, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you, ma'am.
वरुण इतना लंबा नाम लिख दिया मैं वरना पहचाना ही नहीं इतना लंबा नाम लिख दिया. Yes, good. Nice to see you, Varuna. Anand.
Thank you. Thank you.
So why upgradation stops even if we know where and what we are? Because we are individuals. When we have more people around us practicing similar belief system, that group rises. And when we are more people together approaching towards one common goal, then we rise. अकेले बढ़ने की एक सीमा है, उससे आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हम. When we are growing, अकेले जब बढ़ते हैं तो एक लिमिट तक बढ़ सकते हैं. That is why everything starts to expand. Everything. सर्दी आती है तो expand करती है, गर्मी आती है तो expand करती है. There are belief systems which are expanding already. Everybody and everything has to expand. That is the basic law of nature. अब जो हम contain हो रहे हैं, जैसे मैंने पिछले आंसर में बोला है, when we are getting contained, actually within the family we are expanding. Within the family we are getting neutralized. Yes. So if you are feeling stopped at certain part, that means there is a small block in the energy one. That means you are alone and you're working too. Not you, generally speaking, generally. Yeah. Show me smile, show this man. Good job. So when we are alone in this world, then we divide. Self-division is the process. When I believe something with my core, I go forward with my belief and I tell someone else. We become 2 people. We become 4 people. The more people believe the truth, they all start rising. No alone can rise. Even religion says so, not alone. They're talking about everybody to rise. So when you do this work now, energy building, you should involve your family together with you. If you're teaching the student, teach your student Namaste in the school. You will see, one day of teaching the student Namaste, one day, your peace of mind will be different dimension. One day. If you do it every day, you see the difference then. Your question means, how can we help many people? That is the question. Answer is, grow together, help many people. When we are helping, it's not charity, it's cause. Remember the difference. Charity is donation of money or something. Cause is, may not be donation, but for the cause, we can do whatever big work required to do. For the cause. Cause is different than charity. Remember this part. When you go for the cause, you support the organizations or the processes which are working towards the larger good of society. That is the cause. Your question is that's the question I've written. Because this is must be understood, not alone. अगर ऋषि मुनि भी अकेले बढ़ जाएंगे आगे ऊपर जाके भगवान के दरवाजे पे, वहां से भी वापस भेज दिए जाएंगे, क्योंकि अकेले नहीं बढ़ सकते. They have to help others to rise themselves. See this process. You rise, you help others. And since you're a teacher yourself, when you're helping students, truly, they rise, you rise. Teacher के लिए तो बहुत आसान है, but definitely involve them to the truth. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Better. Thank you. Do not bend your neck.
Okay.
Stay upright. You
Okay.
forgot. You forgot this.
No.
To some people, I'm still this only. To some, I bend. To newcomer, I'm bending. To the I am meeting this only. Why I'm bending to you? Why are you bending to me? Don't bend. There is no difference. Only you think different. You, me, small child, all equal. Why we are bending? Because we don't understand this. Don't need to bend. Okay? Do not forget. लेकिन फिर भी अपने घर में बड़ों के सामने बेंड करना ही करना. खुद को समझा लो क्या समझाना है. डिस्टर्बेंस मत बनाओ. ठीक है? All right, Varuna, all the best.
Next is Rekha Malhotra ji. Miss Rekha, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
My question was that is spirituality and
immunity.
immunity, yes.
Yeah. So basic answer, let us say, what is immunity? Immunity is protecting us not to get sick. In this sense, sickness will mean contraction. When somebody gets sick, they become timid, smaller, finish, die. What immunity is trying to do is, don't let us die, keeping us alive. As a result, spirituality and immunity are directly proportional. Higher the spirituality, higher the immunity. The point of concern is, spirituality expands my organ system function, my blood function, my bone function, and all things. When we are spiritually connected, I'll not say high here, connected. When we are spiritually connected, we receive the flow of energy which keeps me floating. not sinking, not heavy, not down, rising. So immunity means when my T cells are coming out of the chest region only, the sternum. I already explained this. When your thumb is most important, is touching the sternum. When thumb is touching sternum, ये तो line ने match कर दिया आपने. When you're touching the thumb, you're directly influencing your own immunity. But spirituality is not only in the body. It's what we believe in this world. Who is managing this world? How this world is being managed. I'm not saying God here at the moment, but through science also we can understand how this world is being managed. When we understand this process of management, that some bigger force is managing, that belief system is, in short, can be said spirituality. When I agree that there is a force which is managing this planet. And today, everywhere in the world, people are going to agree because they don't have solution for present situation. They might have discovered some medicine, some vaccination, fine. But who did it in the first place? Not China. Not China did it. There is a time on the planet. Time on the planet is working, because of which whole human experience is there is a fundamental force which is managing the planet. So this is a simple spirituality. We believe some force is watching over me and managing the world. And this is a simple exercise to raise immunity. Immunity not only for children, all people. Sternum is the purpose. The sternum does this. They create new cells as and when we need them. When we are 10 years, different cells, 20 different, 40 different, like that. So spirituality, immunity directly connected. How to reach spirituality? Through mind, thinking and realizing, and then belief comes, and then soul level rises. Then we can see correctly this truth. This is spiritual. The more truth we see, the more we have immunity. Simple as that. The more we are scared, fear, drowned, down, the less is spirituality. Could I answer the question? Hello.
Hello. So
Thank
Hello?
you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah,
Thanks.
I will write this. So I will write this question particularly in the website. It's a very simple question, but more important in today's time. If we are contained and down, then we will succumb to the pressure. Shoulder is up, I am rising. Sternum I activating. That way, I'm rising in the body. And if I know, इतना बड़ा काम जो कर सकता है किसी की साजिश नहीं, कोई चाइना की साजिश नहीं, अमेरिका की साजिश नहीं, पाकिस्तान की नहीं, किसी की नहीं, इंडिया की भी नहीं, तब हम देख सकते हैं सभी देशों को एक साथ इन्फ्लुएंस जिसने किया वो कोई बड़ा फोर्स है। अगर कोई बड़ा फोर्स कर रहा है तो बड़ा फोर्स है, तो सिंपल एज दैट। ये हुआ स्पिरिचुअल। इवन दिस सिचुएशन में से हमने ये निकाला कि जो कर रहा है कोई बड़ा फोर्स है, जो बड़ा फोर्स कर रहा है हम करेक्ट होते हैं उस फोर्स के साथ, उससे इम्यूनिटी भी राइज होती है। ये थॉट है, ये बॉडी है। मोटरसाइकिल मत भूलना है, मोटरसाइकिल इंपॉर्टेंट है।
Yes.
ठीक है?
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Anil is there. Mr. Anil wants to ask next question.
आई अनिल जी, क्या हाल चाल है आपके?
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग मैम, गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग अनिल जी।
सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू सर, आपको देख के ही, आपको सुन के ही हमें बहुत एनर्जी मिलती है हर बार। इट इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर ऑल ऑफ लाइक लिसनर। मेरा क्वेश्चन सर वैसे इम्यूनिटी से ही था कि बच्चों में जैसे स्पेशली दैट वी आर वर्किंग विद चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड, हाउ वी कैन एनहांस एनर्जी, लाइक हाउ वी कैन एनहांस इम्यूनिटी एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर based on this energy system, how we can enhance immunity. And एक और क्वेश्चन था सर, क्योंकि इसका अभी पूछा गया था ये क्वेश्चन कि एज किस तरह से मैटर करता है। मान लो कि अगर हम बच्चों को एनर्जी सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंगली अगर हम इस तरह की एक्सरसाइज कराते हैं, फिर थोड़ा एडोलसेंट एज है या फिर लेटर अडल्ट एज है, तो ओल्डर एज है, तो उसमें किस तरह से डिफरेंस रहता है एनर्जी का? ठीक है जी,
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये, क्योंकि स्पेशली कुछ समय से मेरा बहुत ही मुझे फील करता है फील, और प्राची शर्मा जी के साथ हमने थोड़ा काम किया, कुछ उसमें चेंजेस आपको पता भी हैं। खैर आपके साथ ही काम किया प्राची जी ने भी काफी। सबसे पहले इम्यूनिटी की बात कर लेते हैं कि इम्यूनिटी एक तो फिजिकल पोर्शन है। मान लो बच्चे ये नहीं कर सकते, अगर सपोज करो बच्चे ये नहीं कर सकते पूरा पोजीशन, उस केस में स्पेशल नीड की किसी भी कंडीशन में और जनरल कंडीशन के बच्चों के साथ भी मदर का रोल बहुत आ जाता है यहाँ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मदर हाथ रख देती है, उसके पहले मदर को ये करना पड़ेगा। लेकिन इसका मतलब क्या है? लेफ्ट एनर्जीज, राइट एनर्जीज, जो लेफ्ट की हैं और जो राइट बॉडी की एनर्जीज हैं, अगर उसमें इम्बैलेंस है हमारे पास, तो हमारा शरीर तो परेशान होएगा ही होएगा, माइंड भी रहेगा और एनर्जी डाउन रह जाएगी। जब हमने लेफ्ट राइट मिला दिया, तो लेफ्ट शरीर की और राइट शरीर की एनर्जी मिला दी आपस, ठीक है नहीं। जब एनर्जी मिल गया तो सबको ये करना है जो कर सकते हैं, जो नहीं कर सकते उस केस में बच्चे की मम्मी ने ये करा, कुछ रखा अपने पास, फिर बच्चे को हाथ रखा। मीनिंग क्या हुआ ये कि मदर और चाइल्ड जो है बायोलॉजिकली कनेक्टेड है, चाहे उनका अम्बिलिकल कार्ड कट गया, वो कनेक्ट डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ है, फिजिकल बॉडी सेपरेट है। मदर्स का माइंड जो होता है वो बच्चों के साथ जुड़ा ही रहता है। अव्वल तो जब माँ ये करेगी और माँ की कमियां अगर पूरी होनी है, सपोज करो आप, एनर्जी बढ़ेगी, माँ की कमियां पूरी हो रही हैं। जिस माँ को ये पता है कि मेरे बच्चे में कोई कमी है और वो कमी माँ की अपनी है, ओके, सपोज मेरे हाथ में दर्द है तो मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, अगर मेरे बच्चे को दर्द है तो मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, ठीक है। जिसको ये पता है मेरे बच्चे का दर्द, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, वो अपना दर्द ठीक करने के लिए जब खुद भी काम करेगा उसका असर बच्चे को जाएगा। ये मैंने स्लाइड ब्रीफली टच किया मदर एंड चाइल्ड। एक चैप्टर है पूरा मेरे पास मदर एंड चाइल्ड, वो फुल क्लास है इसकी। उसमें मदर के माइंड को इतना एलिवेट कर दिया जाता है कि मदर अपने माइंड से बच्चे को माइंड को टच करती है। जब मदर का माइंड बच्चे के माइंड को टच करता है तो बच्चे का माइंड चेंज होना शुरू होता है। आइडियली तो बच्चा खुद अपना हाथ रखे यहाँ पर, अगर किसी तरीके से मान लो लकड़ी का कोई बेंच है, उसके बेंच के ऊपर बच्चे के हाथ रखवा दिए ताकि बच्चे के शोल्डर लिफ्ट रहे फिजिकली। जैसे ये टेबल है, टेबल पे हाथ रखा, हाथ सीधा हो गया और बच्चे को आगे कर दिया, ऐसे कर दे, कैसे कर दे, ऐसे रख ले, शोल्डर सीधा हो गया, ऐसे रख लिया तो शोल्डर सीधा है। उसके बाद ऐसे करना है, जैसे भी कर दे, कैसे भी कर दे इसको। तो बच्चे जो कर सकते हैं, जो टीनेजर हैं, एडोलेसेंट हैं, वो तो आपकी बात को समझ भी सकते हैं कैसे करना है। जब वो बात समझ रहे हैं तो उनको ये लाइन सिखाना जरूरी है। लाइन सीधा होने से क्या होगा, शोल्डर सीधा हो रहा है। एक चीज तो आप क्लियर हो जाओ, स्टर्नम को हम अगर प्रेशर करते हैं मान लो तो भी काम होता है, प्रेशर मत करें, सिर्फ अंगूठे से टच कर रहे हैं, कोई प्रेशर नहीं कर रहा। अंगूठे की अपनी एक एनर्जी है, जब अंगूठा टच करता है तो स्टर्नम स्विच ऑन हो जाता है। जब ऐसा रख लिया और जो रख सकते हैं तो खुद ही करेंगे। ये क्यों जरूरी है, जब ये करते हैं बिना साउंड के, जितना लंबा कर सकता है ये, जितना लंबा, वेरी गुड, आपका अच्छा हो रहा है बात, जितना लंबा करेगा उतना इसके कोने शार्प होने चाहिए। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड बढ़िया कर रहे हैं आप। लॉकडाउन में आपका ये बढ़िया होगा और भी ज्यादा, मैं देख रहा हूँ अरे जब ये लंबा कर लेगा तो उसका असर सीधे दिमाग में जा रहा है। ये तो बच्चों से करवाना है जो कर सकते हैं। जो नहीं कर पा रहे बच्चे, उनके मम्मी को ये करना चाहिए घर में ही, मदर स्पेशली, क्योंकि बायोलॉजिकली उनका कनेक्शन रह चुका है जो अम्बिलिकल के काटने से कटता नहीं है। प्लस माइंड में मम्मी को वही सोचना चाहिए, वाटर साइकिल है जो साइकिल चल रहा है, कारण किसी एक जगह पे कहीं स्थिर रहेगा नहीं। पहले नदी में है, फिर इवेपोरेशन में है, फिर बादल बन जाएगा, फिर बारिश हो जाएगी। इसको सोचने का मतलब क्या होता है, जो आज की स्थिति है अगर वो एनर्जी पर आधारित है तो जल्दी चेंज हो जाएगी, और यदि उसको हम सिर्फ दिमाग पे और सेल्स पे सोचेंगे उसको चेंज होने में टाइम लगता है। आप समझना फर्क क्या है यहाँ पे। एक फिजिकल बॉडी में कुछ चेंज लाना हो बहुत मेहनत का काम है, पर एनर्जी इतना नीचे रहता है, जैसे पहले एनर्जी ऊपर सोल माइंड बॉडी, यहाँ है एनर्जी इतना नीचे छोटा सा है, एक बीज की तरह। अगर उस एनर्जी में कोई चेंज ले आओ तो यहाँ शो कर जाएगा सब जगह पे। जल्दी और देर का मायने ये नहीं करना है कि हमें कोई भागना है किसी चीज के पीछे, पर जो काम करना है रोज करेंगे अपना। मैं समझता हूँ 4 हफ्ते में आप अपने रिजल्ट चेंज कर लोगे अगर मदर्स आपकी बात समझ जाए तो। आपका मेहनत तो खैर फिनोमिनल है, मैंने देखा ही है एसडी पब्लिक स्कूल में, मैडम भी बहुत अप्रिशिएट करते हैं आपको जब भी बात होता है। तो उसमें क्या है, आप मेहनत इतना कर ही रहे हैं, अगर मदर्स इन्वॉल्व कर लो आप साथ में तो कई गुना बढ़ जाएगा इस पे। कारण हमारी भी इच्छा है बच्चों को ठीक करने की, माँ के तो शरीर का हिस्सा है बच्चा। फिलोसफी क्या है, अगर आप मदर को इम्प्रूव करा सको, या जैसे मैं अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करूं अगर, तो मेरी ये उंगली भी इम्प्रूव होगी, ये भी सब इम्प्रूव होगा ना। इसी तरह माँ का हिस्सा है बच्चा, जब माँ इम्प्रूव होगी बच्चा ऑटोमेटिकली इम्प्रूव होगा। जब माँ डरी हुई है तो जो खाना भी खिलाएगी बच्चे को उसमें डर ही भेजेगी। माँ दुखी है, खाना जो बना रही है चाय कॉफी खाना सब दुख वाला जा रहा है, डर वाला जा रहा है। अगर हर रोज बच्चे को डर खिला रहा है कोई, तो एक्सपेंशन कहाँ से आएगा, आप समझ रहे हैं। तो एजुकेशन तो माता पिता को भी लेना होगा यहाँ पे, क्योंकि अगर बच्चे को हम रोज डर दुख का पोषण कर रहे हैं तो बच्चा सिकुड़ेगा। रोज खुशी का, आप खुशी कहाँ से लाएं ऐसी स्थिति में, स्थिति गंभीर है। तो ये नहीं कहना कि आप खुश होने की कोशिश करो, मैं इससे सहमत नहीं। लेकिन एनर्जी जब बढ़ाएंगे तो ये एक्सरसाइज है, हंसने की बात नहीं है, स्माइल नहीं कर रहे हम, फिजिकल है, कोई जोक थोड़ी है। बस ये करो, खाना खिलाओ, ये करो, टच करो, ये करो, सर पे हाथ रखो, आशीर्वाद, जैसा भी, पर स्टैंड जरूर टच करो, क्योंकि नए सेल बन रहे हैं यहाँ से। ये इम्यूनिटी को भी कवर करेगा, स्लो लर्नर को भी कवर करेगा, और मदर को इन्वॉल्व करने से मैं समझता हूँ कि आप एक 4 हफ्ते का बनाना स्केड्यूल, और इस विषय पे प्राची जी के एक्सपीरियंस हैं थोड़े से हमारे पास, वो हम चाहे तो वेबसाइट से देख लेना आप, मैं अभी लिख रहा हूँ उसके वो एक्सपीरियंसेस को भी। तो जब आप एक्सपेरिमेंट करो तो 4 हफ्ते कम से कम करवाना है इनसे, पेरेंट्स से, ठीक है। आई होप थोड़ा आंसर आ गया होगा।
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
We have taken all the questions, and the time is also now 5:36. So,
36,
so
Okay.
we can wind up the session.
Okay, so
Any last minute tip, if you want to share with everybody anything?
okay. एक तो अभी वो स्लाइड आप दिखाओगे ना, EBBC वाला, तो उसमें वेबसाइट आएगा स्लाइड में आपके पास। ये आ गया, ये तो आप एक काम करना है, ये वेबसाइट को थोड़े दिन फॉलो करना है। मैं कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन डालता हूँ इस पे आज के डिस्कशन के बेस पे, और जो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन अगर आंसर नहीं भी हुए हैं, मैं कोशिश करूंगा उन सब क्वेश्चन का आंसर अलग से लिख के डाल दूं वेबसाइट पर, इंडिविजुअली स्पीकिंग, तो आपको अपने क्वेश्चन के आंसर वैसे भी मिल जाएंगे। दूसरी बात यह है, जो मेन बात समझनी है, हमने देखा हमारी बॉडी बनी है सेल से, सेल के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, उसके नीचे लेप्टॉन, कॉक्स और छोटे पार्टिकल, उसके नीचे प्योर एनर्जी है। तो सच्चाई है ये, हम एनर्जी से बने हुए हैं, लेकिन जहां तक हमारे को साइंटिस्ट ने बताया, बायोलॉजी पढ़ के हम वहीं तक जानते हैं, उसी के हिसाब पर दवाइयां तैयार की जाती हैं। सेल की दवाई तैयार करते हैं, एटम की दवाई तैयार कर सकते हैं। जब तक एनर्जी की पढ़ाई पहुंचेगी आगे, आज से मान लो 50 साल बाद, 100 साल बाद, तब एनर्जी की दवाइयां भी तैयार की जाएंगी। पर हम जो आज जी रहे हैं, हमारी चॉइस है ये कि हम आज एनर्जी पे बिलीव करना शुरू कर दें तो हम आज ही एनर्जी का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं अपने लिए। जो लोग सेल पे बिलीव करते हैं वो सेल लेवल की दवाई खाते हैं, जो लोग दूसरे लेवल पे बिलीव करते हैं वो उस लेवल की दवाई खाते हैं, या उस लेवल का जनरल न्यूट्रिशन खाते हैं। अगर हमें अपने आप को बढ़ाना है तो बादाम खाना है, बिल्कुल ठीक। अगर हमें बढ़ाना है तो हम एनर्जी भी खा सकते हैं, वो कैसे? फल खाने से फायदा है, फ्रूट्स खाने से फायदा है, ड्राई फ्रूट्स खाने से फायदा है, पनीर खाने से फायदा है, ये खाने की चीजें हैं। इसी तरह एनर्जी में भी कुछ ऐसी चीजें और हैं जो हम कंज्यूम करें, अगर उसके करने के तरीके हमारे एनर्जी के अलग हैं थोड़े से, वो आएगा समय तो उसके ऊपर और बात कर सकते हैं, पर ब्रीफ यही बात है मेरे पास। एक तो मैं एनर्जी हूँ, ये आपको पक्का यकीन होना चाहिए, मेरे कहने से नहीं, आप खुद ही जानो, एग्जाम्पल बहुत दिए मैंने इसके आज। दूसरा, एनर्जी है दुनिया में तो उसका सोर्स भी कहीं है, ये भी एग्जाम्पल। तो सोर्स है और मैं हूँ, हम दोनों हैं। अगर हम दोनों हैं तो नरिशमेंट ऑटोमेटिक है, पहली बात। दूसरी बात, ये हमको बिलीव करना है, आपको बिलीव करना है, आपको समझना है कि एनर्जी नाम का कोई सिस्टम है दुनिया में। किसको पता था पहले ड्राई फ्रूट खाने से फायदा होगा, लेकिन जब जानकारी आई तभी लोगों ने ड्राई फ्रूट खाया है ना। उसी तरह एनर्जी की बात है, जब आप समझ जाओगे एनर्जी फायदा करती है तो इस पर बढ़ जाओगे। मैं समझता हूँ आप ये जो स्लाइड आपने देखा था www.ebbc.in, EBBC, एनर्जी ब्रेन बिल्डिंग कनेक्शन, एनर्जी बिल्डिंग ब्रेन कनेक्शंस, आप इसमें फॉलो करो कुछ दिन, तो मैं आपको देता हूँ इसके अंदर इन्फॉर्मेशन। और अभी टाइम शॉर्ट है तो यहाँ रोक रहा हूँ बात को। और वो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, आपने कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन भेजना होगा, क्वेश्चन होना होगा तो वेबसाइट पे व्हाट्सएप पे डालेंगे आप, मैं उसको कनेक्ट करता हूँ आपके सवालों को वहां पर। अभी का टाइम सीमित है, लास्ट बात बोल रहा हूँ, मैं एनर्जी हूँ, और अगर दुनिया में एनर्जी है तो उसका सोर्स भी है, दैट इज ऑल। ये सबसे सिंपल लाइन है याद करने की, मैं खुद एनर्जी और एक सोर्स है, बस। सोर्स केवल मेरा नहीं है ना, सोर्स तो सोर्स होता है, सबका होता है सोर्स तो। ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू वेरी मच अनीता जी, आपने बहुत बढ़िया प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया आज।
Thank you so much, Dr. Udit, and I thank all the participants and viewers who have joined us today for this session, and they actively participated and interacted with you. So thank
Yes.
you very much. And from the last slide, all of you can note that number, WhatsApp number. If anybody wants to connect with Dr. Udit, you can visit the website and you can connect through that WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू, नमस्ते।
Namaste.
शोल्डर देखो, शोल्डर स्ट्रांग हो गया ना अभी। नमस्ते। अभी क्या भी स्ट्रॉन्ग है शोल्डर। थैंक यू जी।